welcome to another week of Ask Henna Sooq. My name is Khadija. I have a weekly series where I take some of your questions from the comments on the videos that we have right here on YouTube and then put it in a weekly series so I can get you your answers. And remember, if you have a pressing question, you just got to go to hennasooq.com as well for that live chat and you can reach one of our experts. And I got 3 questions that I've chosen for this week's series. I am the CEO and founder of this amazing brand Henna Sooq, and I bring you all my expertise in henna hair color, Ayurvedic healthy hair care, and henna and jago body art. So let's get into these questions. Let's see what we got. We got question number 1 coming from Angel Williams, and they say, can you deep condition 2 weeks after doing henna and indigo? Yes, absolutely. Usually I recommend 5 to 7 days later. You just really want to allow the henna and indigo time to fully settle. And that's why I really don't recommend deep conditioning right after coloring your hair, because you definitely need moisture though. So don't get me wrong, you need moisture. So use those leave-ins, use that steam, use your cleansing co-wash to restore moisture. But I don't want you to use deep conditioning because I'm concerned with some of the ingredients found in deep conditioning treatments are heavy, oily, that might pull out the color. So just let your color settle 5 to 7 days at least, and then you can go back to your regular routine. Question number 2 comes from Kitty Fantastic. I love your username, by the way, it's so cute. I would love to hear your opinions on hair care for bleached, fashion colored hair, like blue, purple, green, etc. I use a lot of castor oil and olive oil for my long, bleached, colorful hair. And what else would be suitable? So that is a great question, and it's great that you're sharing that because actually we don't have enough conversations about that. For the most part, most people and cosmetologists are really recommending that people stay away from Ayurvedic hair care because they're scared. And they also are scared because they don't have knowledge and experience, and they're not taught anything about natural hair care. When it comes down to not just Ayurvedic hair care, but let's say natural hair care methods, they are not promoted in cosmetology school. So first of all, recognize that. So Ayurvedic hair care and henna hair color, it's like kind of taboo, but there are no experts teaching it because cosmetology school, sorry to say, for the most part, is just trying to make money. It's a business, right? So a lot of the times they're not going to be recommending things that are not going to make them a huge amount of money. Henna and Ayurvedic hair care, natural hair care industry is growing and probably really leading. So I'm not even sure why they don't tap into that more. But it's a niche type of service, so it's very unique. There's not a lot of people doing it. And that's what we're trying to do here at Henna Sooq, is to elevate that and expand that. So my opinion on colorful, beautiful hair, and it sounds like you're really taking good care of it. I am a supporter of people. Like, I am here to be part of your hair journey wherever you are at. I want to meet you where you're at. Like, I don't have a problem with that. Like, I want to support people and be there for them, even if I don't really agree, because we all have the right to have our own opinion and thoughts, right? And I'm sure most of you will agree. There's no way that I can sit here and, I can't make you do anything, but I will say that, using chemicals is chemicals, there's no doubt that it's not going to be good for you, okay? It's chemicals. But that being said, if you are really in love with colorful hair and doing your treatments that have chemicals in it, I really want to be there to encourage you to try Ayurvedic hair care, to try implementing more natural methods of hair care. You could do so many Ayurvedic herbal hair treatments. It doesn't have to be henna. We have so many options for you. Like everything else, like everything we carry, the majority of those herbs that we have and those products we have are not all henna. We have maybe 15 to 20% of our products are henna based or have henna or henna powder. The rest is all just natural herbs, essential oils, pure oils, deconditioning treatments. We have so much more that you can experience. So just take care of your hair in the best way that you can. I hope this is the answer you're kind of looking for. Like, based on your question, you kind of did say what could be more suitable, but I don't know if you're asking for other color recommendations or just natural methods of taking care of your hair, but you got options upon options. So please implement as many as you can to maintain your hair. colorful, chemically treated perms, we got you. You know, you can use something safely from us. Absolutely, 100% sure. Question number 3 comes from Mick McGuigan. I hope I said that right. And they asked, my indigo doesn't get the metallic look until 2 hours after mixing it. Am I doing something wrong? That's really interesting because usually 20 to 30 minutes, that metallic-y tint will be there. It doesn't take 2 hours. Are you using warm to hot distilled water, or I hope it's not boiling water, and make sure it is water. And that temperature is, between warm to hot, you know, because that's going to trigger the dye release, and it should be ready in 20 to 30 minutes. But if you are seeing that I've answered this question, I'd need a little bit more information to kind of see what is going wrong, or reach out to us, call us, email us, go to that live chat on our website. It's at hennasooq.com, the bottom right-hand corner, and then you're going to see, you know, that little chat box right there that you could get your questions answered to right away. You know, because I'm really curious too as to also why you're not seeing that metallic-y tone earlier. And make sure also your indigo is very good quality. It's very important as well. So thank you guys for tuning in. Another Ask Hennasooq series. Remember, you gotta subscribe and hit that bell so you get all the notifications and don't miss any of the great content that I have coming out for you, because I want to keep you on your toes. I got a whole new series coming out really soon. And it's going to be all from the Columbia, Maryland location too. So you're going to be seeing a ton more behind the scenes, salon services. I'm going to have you guys flying from out of state, maybe even outside the country, just to come see us. Because remember, Hennasooq is the only location in all of North America like ours. There's no other place like our place. So if you have the opportunity to come through, please do. I'll see you guys. All right.